If you're still managing like it's 2015, you're losing people and time. If you're a leader, adapt or get left behind. Here's how to win. Teams are scattered, attention is scarce, AI tools are multiplying faster than training budgets. Leaders get pulled into status updates while culture and clarity slip through the cracks. That confusion costs engagement, causes duplicate work, turns smart people into email robots. Worse, AI without guardrails amplifies bias, mistakes, and mistrust. Start simple. Set clear outcomes, not tasks. Use AI to automate the boring, summaries, scheduling, first drafts, so humans do the thinking and connecting. Make async norms, short updates, defined response windows, and weekly syncs for decisions. Train everyone on AI limits and ethics, and measure impact, not activity. Lead the change. Protect, focus, empower people, and use AI as your multiplier, not your replacement.